Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever noticed how AI sometimes sounds super confident, but gets the facts totally wrong? Like, oh, the moon is made of cheese, or Einstein was a chef. Those are called hallucinations, and they're not just random glitches. Recent research shows they're actually tied to something we all know too well, social biases. Let's break down how this works and why it matters. So what's a hallucination? Imagine you're telling a story, and the AI adds a whole new plot twist that's not in your original text. That's a faithfulness hallucination, when the AI strays from the input. Then there's factuality hallucinations, like claiming a famous person was born in the wrong year. Both are problems, but today we're focusing on the first kind. Now, why do these happen? Think of AI as a sponge. It absorbs everything it's trained on: books, articles, social media. And guess what's in all that text? Societal stereotypes. Like assuming men are better at math, or that certain groups are more likely to commit crimes. These biases seep into AI models, and researchers are now finding they cause hallucinations. But how do they know it's not just a coincidence? That's where the Bias Intervention Dataset BID comes in. It's like a lab for testing AI biases. Researchers didn't just look at existing data, they built scenarios with controlled stereotypes. For example, they created stories where characters had ambiguous traits, like person C or person D, and balanced social attributes to avoid stereotypes. They even added unfairness options to see if AI would pick biased answers. Here's the key idea. Imagine you're baking a cake and you want to know if the flour causes it to rise. But other ingredients like sugar or eggs might confuse the result. The researchers blocked those distractions, isolating just the bias variable. By tweaking the social stereotypes in the input, they could see if the AI's hallucinations changed. And here's what they found. Social bias does cause faithfulness hallucinations. But it's not a one-size-fits-all effect. Some biases made AI more likely to invent details, while others had the opposite effect. They even discovered a new type of hallucination called unfairness hallucinations, where biased assumptions lead to outputs that feel unjust, but are hard to spot. This matters because AI is everywhere, from chatbots to medical diagnostics. If we don't address these biases, we risk systems that aren't just wrong but unfair. The researchers' tools, like BID and their causal model, give us a roadmap to build more reliable AI. So next time you interact with an AI, remember, it's not just learning facts. It's absorbing the world's biases too. And that's a problem we're only just starting to solve. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. But here's the tricky part: hallucinations. These are when AI makes stuff up, like a friend spinning a story with details that never happened. A 2024 study found that big language models can get sidetracked by extra info, leading them to invent facts. And it's not just a little mistake. Errors can snowball, spreading false info like a chain reaction. Imagine an AI telling you the wrong medical advice or legal info. Yikes. But here's the good news: smart people are fixing this. Some are using the contact hypothesis, a psychology trick that says exposure to different perspectives reduces bias. By training AI on diverse voices and stories, they're building fairer systems. And for hallucinations, tools like the ICR Probe act like a detective, tracking how AI reaches conclusions to catch when it's making things up. It's like giving AI a fact-checker in its brain. The future of AI is still being written, and with these fixes, we're heading toward a smarter, fairer tech world. Stay curious, and let's keep learning together.